Hey, it's Rob, and it's week 3, project week. So I'm excited to see who I'm paired with and create something together. Hey, it's Rob, it's day 15, and I'm with Terrence. We're partners for week 3, project week. So we're just going to talk about what our project idea is. Can you start it off?
Sure. So our project is called Study Buddy. Basically, it's a way to find other students in our mod who are helpful in an area where you might be struggling. So you'll start up the app. It'll ask for your name. You'll enter, like what your strengths and weaknesses are, and it'll match you with someone else in our database whose strengths kind of like complement the areas that you're struggling in.
Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And we're expecting a little bit of difficult. I mean, not difficult, but there's gonna be a challenge because our our idea requires us to know self-referencing tables, which we haven't learned yet. We're supposed to learn that in mod 2, but we really want to make this work since we think it'll actually be helpful and useful. So we're gonna try to like take the extra step and make it work on our own. Yeah, but we'll keep you we'll keep you posted about how that goes.
So it's the second day working on our project, and we completed most of it already. We figured out the self-reference.
Oh, self-reference.
We figured out self-reference. So it's whatever you return. We figured out self-referencing. You want to say it?
Figured out self-referencing.
And we have most of our app done. So we're just going to demonstrate how it works. Makes sense? So let's do. Right, but look, think about it, right? Because passenger and drivers are connected through the lines, right? You already have all the lines.
I edit the shit out of
I would use that. So I would use map, but instead I would map the lines, that map, right? And then within each.
So, yo, what the hell? Unexpected shovel?
Because this one already selects.
Wait, you didn't update, man.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, and why this works is because honestly, right within your map, right? Your map is actually not correct yet. But this one, map conditions still goes on.
Okay, so this is testing if someone's already in the database. Just kidding. Like,
Yeah.
we're gonna run this
This is very good. Honestly, like, what's the point of using this? Right?
Man, this one?
Yeah, but I would say like,
Oh, because that's it.
that's not how map works. Map changes. Map changes. Alright, so next one.
So I'm home now and I did a little bit of debugging. It turns out I just had to move a method to a different location and all was good. So I'll just demo again. All right, here we have it. And I'm gonna run the file. All right, so here we are. Welcome to Study Buddy. And let's say Rob. So before it wasn't tracking that I was in the database, even though I should be. Now it is, and I have here an attribute strength of object-oriented Ruby, I said, and my weakness is active record. So that would be what I'm looking to get help with. And I could either update skills or just like show who's good at active record, or I can quit. So at this point, let's say I've improved that active record since this morning from building this project, and I say my new weakness is going to be something else, but it doesn't matter because I haven't built out the update skills yet. So well, we have a choice of strength or weakness, right? So I want to say weakness. I want to update weakness, but I haven't built it out yet. So I have to make the method update weakness, and then all will be good. So that's going to be a list to choose from, and if like I pick a certain, let's say I pick 3 and it's something, then I'll update this weakness to whatever the new weakness is, and I have a choice to again update if I'm unsatisfied with whatever I chose, or if I am, then I could go straight to display matches. And I haven't built that out yet, so that's for tomorrow. But once we build the display buddies method, then it'll show a list of everyone who is good at whatever weakness I chose. And yeah, so this is for our own class to use, and hopefully we'll find it helpful. And but yeah, overall it was a good practice and learning. Like we didn't know what self-referencing tables were, and we kind of figured it out. Researched a little bit, asked the instructor for help a little bit, and now it works the way we intended to. So that's really cool. Yeah, so keep you posted.
Hey, it's Rob, and it's day 2 on the project with Terrence, and it's going really well. He couldn't make it to class today, but we're still able to communicate really well over screen share. And kind of like bounce off each other's logic and figuring out the issues and working through each method. Now we're pretty much done, so yeah, tomorrow we still have one more day to work on this project, but it's just going to be improving user experience. After I get home, I can show you what we have so far, and yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for today.
A quick demo of what we have so far. Okay, great. So welcome to Study Buddy. And let's say I'm going to start here, and I'm a new user, so it's going to ask me what skills am I comfortable with. I'm going to say fundamentals, API, object-oriented, and that's it. And then what skills are you least comfortable with? SQL. Okay. Now, with that information, I could display matches based on who is good at what I'm not good at. So there are my recommended study buddies for SQL: Jesse, Carlos, Sanjay. Let's say I studied with Jesse and I got better at SQL, and I could update my weakness and say it's now active record. Then I could display matches, and now it's Carlos, Sanjay, and Terrence who are good at active record. So it's a pretty robust and simple app. Yeah, overall, had a lot of fun building it with Terrence, my project partner. And I'm really proud of the work that we did in only 2 days. But yeah, there's still more to be done. We could tweak it, make it better, and then we'll present on the day after. So yeah, that's what we have so far. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, and also, since I studied, then I should be better at SQL, so I'll update that. And there it is.